Hello everyone, welcome to Navya's Indian Kitchen. In this episode, let us learn how to make sambar. It is an easy and quick method of making the sambar. So let's get started with the ingredients.
1 cup tur dal, cook it until it's completely mashed. Vegetables of your choice. Here I am using bottle gourd pieces and carrot pieces. You can use any vegetables you like. Half medium sized onion cubed, 3 green chilies slit, 1 large tomato cubed, medium lemon sized tamarind, a pinch of fenugreek seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 dry red chilies, 2 tablespoons of sambar powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can adjust this according to your taste, 1.5 teaspoon of jaggery, salt. You can add this according to your taste, few curry leaves, some coriander leaves to garnish, oil. You'll need about 2 tablespoons. So let's get started with the recipe.
Here I have 2 tablespoons of oil heating up, and when it's hot, go ahead and add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of fenugreek seeds, and 2 dry red chilies. And fry it for 30 seconds. Now go ahead and add in the onions and the green chilies and fry this for 2 minutes. You don't have to cook the onions all the way through. Now after 2 minutes, go ahead and add in all your veggies. Here I have bottle gourd pieces and carrot pieces. I'm going to add this. You can add any vegetables you like. Now into this add some salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Now into this add the cubed tomatoes, two tablespoons of sambar powder, curry leaves, and now add some water. Now let us cover this and allow it to come to a boil. Now this started to come to a boil. Now go ahead and add in your tamarind juice, a teaspoon of jaggery, and some more water. Now cover this and cook it till the veggies are almost cooked. Now after almost 20 minutes of boiling, my veggies are 3/4 cooked. Now go ahead and add in the tur dal. Here I have 1 cup of tur dal that I boiled till it's completely mashed up. Now adjust the seasoning, cover it and let it boil till the veggies are completely cooked. After boiling it for 15 more minutes, veggies are completely cooked. Now go ahead and add in a lot of coriander leaves, and switch off the flame. Sambar is ready to be served. For more recipes, please subscribe to Navya's Indian Kitchen. Thank you.